Deadpixel has this item, Spinel Tonic, which is basically drugs because you gain a massive boost of all your stats, and then there's a chance to gain a reduction of all stats. So right now he's at ×6 negative movement speed when he doesn't have drugs.
It's not just movement speed, it's everything.
It's everything. And now that he has the drug ability, he's got to get his next fix, and he goes crackhead mode.
No, don't hit me. Okay. I think I have enough to buy this thing.
Roll. Do a barrel roll. I feel like that's...
Don't give me type 7. It did.
Whoa.
I don't know what this is,
Big
but it's
boy.
big, and it looks
TC 2800?
Listen, if
Yeah.
this doesn't save my -7, nothing will. Alright, how do I obliterate myself? Can I do that yet? How?
I feel like you have to beat the stage. Oh, when you fall with shields, you only take 1 damage, so you don't really need to worry about fall damage.
Ow.
You need to worry about that though, and that.
Ow.
You have drugs for this fight. Implore, that sucks. He's hard.
Oh no,
Yeah.
there's 2. This is gonna be great for now.
Yeah, as soon as it's over though, that withdrawal kicks in.
Oh boy. Yeah, I don't think I can do this. I'm gonna try that.
Oh no, it's over. -7. -8.
Oh my god.
You know, it may say killed by imp, but really it was killed by Spindle.
Yeah,
Drugs.
killed by tonic affliction.
Tonic affliction.